Hey everybody, welcome back to another video on Craft That. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these adorable beaded flower rings. So let's get started. So if you're wondering what they look like, I'm going to show you. Here are some that I made recently. Here is this one. I love this one. This one's probably my favorite. Here's this one I made with three flowers. Here's this one and this one. They may look hard, but they're actually pretty easy to make, so let's get started. The things that you'll be needing are actually only 3 things, so it's pretty easy. You will be needing scissors, some clear elastic string or fishing line, 6 beads, the color is your choice, and the 6 beads are going to be for the petals, by the way, so like the purple beads on here are the petals, and that's what these will. Next, you're going to be needing 1 bead, the color of your choice again, and it's basically going to be the center. And then you're going to be needing 10 beads of your choice again for this. Okay, looks like we're ready. Let's get started. So start off by cutting your string the length you want. Remember, this is a ring, so you won't need a lot, but surprisingly, it's a lot easier to do if you have a lot of string, so I cut it off quite a bit, so it's just a lot easier to work with. First, string on 4 of your petal beads, and this is what mine looks like. Next, string on your center bead. So here we go. Then this is the tricky part that's gonna come up. So you're gonna take this end. So this end, that's the closest to your center bead, and you're going to string it to the first petal bead on here. So this bead right here, and you're going to string it through that. It's a little bit tricky, so string it through that. Oh my gosh, wait a second. Okay, there you go. So string it through the first petal bead like I was saying and showing, and it should then look something like this after you pull it. It should be half of a flower, okay? So next you wanna, so it won't come off, so you can just do that. And then you're gonna take the last 2 petal beads, and you're gonna string that on to the string. So there's 1. And then let's get on the other one. There we go. So we're not done yet because that doesn't even look like a flower. You're gonna take this end again, and you're gonna take it and string it through this bead right here. So this is also a tricky part. You're gonna take the end of this, like I was saying, and then you're gonna string it through this bead right here. So you see that? See the flower? Half the flower, you can string it through that bead right there. So the one on the bottom of this side. So I strung it through, and it may look like a bit of a disaster until you pull it. Then you have your flower. If this is a little bit confusing and you don't get it on your first try, that's totally normal. You just have to keep practicing and you'll probably get it. Okay, so next you're going to take your 10 beads and you're going to string them on each side of your flower. If it's too small, then you can add more beads. If it's too big, then add less beads than this, but 10 beads fits good for me. And now we're just gonna string on 5 beads on each side, and I'll be back once I have finished that. I strung on all beads on each side, and it's looking pretty cute. And now we're just gonna tie off the ends. Should double knot it, definitely, because you don't want it to come down, or even like triple knot it. I just tie it a bunch of different times because I do not want it to come undone. But this string ties pretty well. probably gonna have some excess string. For me, I have a lot. Well, take your handy dandy scissors and just cut off that excess string. Now you have your cute ring that you can make a bunch of these and like match one for every outfit, and they're super cute and I love them. By the way, I just wanted to show you what it looked like with bigger beads. This is what it looks like with these beads. So basically, I'll show you. This is the size of beads that I used. This is probably like the biggest amount of beads I can use, and it worked though because it was round. But yeah, just wanted to show you that. There's another thing I want to show you. I have all these rings that I made. I love making them, and they're super easy. I like these because it just is so cool with all the 3 ones on it. But let me show you something. So this is my attempt of using the non-stretchy string, which did not work, and these beads. Basically, it's bad. It doesn't even look like a flower, and I don't know, the string wasn't good. It was just not a very good one. So I just wanted to show you that you probably want these materials, and yeah, those just work better. Okay, so right now I'm gonna put on a fast-forwarded video of me making one right now. Okay, so here is the other one I made. I love it, and it's super cute, and it was super fun to do. This video is now coming to an end, but now you go outside and rock those rings. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!